What's up YouTube, it's your boy Johnnylsx and we're back with another video. So this video, you guys, we're going to be building a burnout truck on a budget. ¿Qué onda, cabeza de huevo?
Hoy le vamos a poner los e-fans, voy a hacer los pinches Mickey Mouse y mira mi, ¿cómo ando ya? Wow.
Chulo wanted to grow his haircut, but then he heard on the news that they're recruiting people in the military from 18 to 24. Or 26. So he got a Mr. John's haircut right here, right, Chulo?
Military haircut.
A ver, un 360. Un cambio de vida, ¿no, Chulo?
Sí, güey, porque ya no toqué a pinches pelos, pinches gringotas, no sé si me dieron los videos anteriores. This shit was growing, so I had to get it.
You wanted to grow it out, no?
Yeah, I wanted to grow it out, but like, nah, fuck that. And so I got this.
So this is going to be my single cab burnout truck build. I'm actually gonna build it and toss the keys to Chulo so Chulo can swing it.
You can break some rubber.
So he doesn't kill himself. But check out our new front flag. The paint is right there. Anyways, this truck, I bought it over there in Denver, Colorado, in my hometown for $2,000. It is a 5.3 cam with a 4L60E. We went ahead and did a cat eye front end swap. Shout out to my boy Jerry for the hood and the front bumper. But in this video, we're gonna be installing some fans that go right there for the 40K transcooler. We got these off of Amazon. So here's one right here. Where's the other one, Chulo? Open it up, Chulo. Open it. No, hombre.
Three days later.
So here it is, you guys. They went ahead and sent me a blue one and a black one. I don't know why. I ordered two black ones. But anyways, as long as they work, we don't really care. Here's the hardware that comes with it. So we're gonna be installing these actually right here. Excuse me, Chulo. These are gonna sit somewhere like this. One on the left side and one on the right. And I'm gonna make my own harness for it as well, so they are functional. I did my own harness for my E-fans as well. So I'm not running an OEM harness. I made it by myself out of scratch wire and fuses that I had and some relays. Turn it on, Chulo. So here it is. This one's this controls one side of the fan and this one controls the other side. You got both of them on, Chulo? So there you go. Turn it off. So I made my own harness. I wired it up all myself. And then here's my little switches right here. I know it looks kind of ratchet where they're at right now, but I am gonna be drilling some holes right here. And that's where these switches will be at. So that controls one side of the E-fan and this one controls the other side. Or I can run both. So I'm gonna be doing that as well with the slim fans for the 40K transcooler. They're gonna go somewhere right here, like I mentioned before, one on the left and one on the right. Because when we got this truck tuned a couple weeks ago, we're supposed to take this truck to Colorado, back to my hometown for a show, but we couldn't make it because the torque converter got really hot and it took a shit on us. So we are gonna be pulling the transmission sometime later on and installing a stall on it, like a 38 or 4000 stall. And then we did add the 40K transcooler as well. But turn it on, Chulo, so the viewers could hear the motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this engine sounds. It is a 5.3, but it sounds nice. Let me go ahead and turn it on.
My ears.
And this truck does not have a MSD two-step. That popping noise is controlled by the tune. So my tuner here in Vegas, he actually added that to the tune as well. So when I rev it up and it goes down on the RPMs, it pops and it does shoot flames. That's the crazy part. But anyways, let's get to the chase. We're gonna go ahead and install the slim fans on the 40K transcooler. I'm not gonna show you guys how to wire it up because that takes a long time. but we already made the harness, so we're just gonna plug everything up. And then if you guys do this cheap hack, it will keep the temperature on the transmission cooler as well. And since we're in Vegas, it's already hot as it is out here, sometimes reaching 115. It's pretty hot out here. You could literally cook a sun outside on the sidewalk if you really wanted to. And since this is going to be our burnout truck, we got to keep it cool as well. Like I mentioned before, this truck did not come with E-fans. I added the E-fans on it, and I did my own harness as well. So now it's time to keep the transmissions cool and get that started. So let's go ahead and install them. Quick little mock-up right here. That's how the first one's gonna sit, and now the second one is gonna sit somewhere right here. This flat part on the fan, just make sure you know it's flat enough right here. Same thing with the bottom. Now the other one, we're gonna install it right here. What do you think, Chulo?
Looking good. So cause I can't do it, he has to do it cause he does it the right way. I do Mickey Mouse shit, as most of you guys know.
El compa Mickey Mouse.
So come on, Mickey Mouse.
So we're gonna go ahead and install the second one right here, little mock-up, and if that's where we like it, that's where we're gonna be mounting them up. And then right here, you have your negative and your positive. The blue one is your positive, the black one obviously is your negative. And you could power these up. Chulo, bring me like a little wire, a little battery real quick so we could test them out. So quick little mock-up. I'm gonna go ahead and power these up. You could just use like your Milwaukee battery and then just power it up. Connect your negative to negative and positive. Don't plug it up for so long because you do need a fuse or something so you won't burn out the motor. Chulo, connect the positive. Right here. Why are you holding me like that, Chulo? No mames. ¿Te gustan las emociones fuertes? Connect the other one. Try the other one. Next one.
Damn.
There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and just make sure these are nice and even with each other. Like this one gotta go a little bit higher, and then finish mounting them up. Once we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and install the harness that we made for it, and then I'm gonna show you how it works. Bam, and just like that, we installed both slim fans on the 40K transmission cooler. It's all wired up. I did have an extra, we did make another wire right here, just in case I want to run an additional 2 slim fans for the radiator on this side. So I did make this extra harness, but everything's plugged up already. E-fans are all installed and connected. Time to test it out. Chulo, hit the switch. There you go. Turn it off. All right, hit one side only. Turn it off. Hit the other side. There you go. So we got a low one and then the high one, or I could run both at the same time. So everything's connected right here on our custom harness we did. We still just gotta plug it up right here to the actual battery itself. So this one's the relay, this one's the fuse. This is the harness that goes to the switch inside. We got our positive right here and our negative right there. So basically we just gotta connect our negative to the negative on the battery, and then our positive to the positive of the battery. Hit the E-fans, Chulo. Hit the E-fans and hit the transmission cooler, please. So there you have it. We have our E-fans for our 40K transmission cooler. We have the E-fans for our radiator. I did make some extra wire, as you guys saw right here, just in case I want to add an additional 2 more slim fans to the radiator right here in the front. The switches go through the firewall, and you guys don't mind the handle. I know I don't have a handle because I'm going to get the chrome ones. But here's all our switches. I'm still going to do a little control box right here so I can put all the switches. So these 2 are controlled by the E-fans. For the radiator, and then this one right here is controlled for the 40K transmission cooler. Check that out. Or if I want both, just hit both. And then this one's for the the radiator. My bad. But what you think, Chulo?
It looks nice. I really like how Johnny wired up everything. All I gotta say, it's not a Mickey Mouse like how I be doing this stuff. Yeah, that's the. So I can all.
Ahí quedó. And this is how it looks with the grill on. Don't mind this piece, that's how I got it from Jerry. Mind you, this is his old front end. The hood, the grill, and the bumper, that came from his silver, the step side, the one we did a couple years back. We have that one in our possession right now. We're doing a bubble light front end. Stay tuned for that video, but this is how it looks in the front with the slim fans on the 40K transmission cooler. I wish I could have sent both of them the same color, but it's 1-in-1. But that was good because it explains which one's your high and your low. There you go. What do you think, cabrón?
Se ve chingona, pero sí, como dice Johnny, don't mind the grill, está todo chueco como camino yo a veces. Ahí luego les voy a decir que les pongo un clip luego Johnny que camina todo chueco así.
You got something up your butt, no, Chulo? El compa rosado, no?
Como que si algo me picó.
Hell yeah. But this is how it came out. So excited. Like I said, this is our budget burnout truck. This is episode number 1. Stay tuned on this one. We're going to do everything from the body work to the paint to the engine work, transmission, the tuning, and also do upgrades like how we did right here with the 40K transmission cooler. Guys, if you guys want to know how to install a 40K transmission cooler on your truck, I did upload a video a couple years back. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. You guys could watch that. If you guys have any questions on how to do this or how to make the harness, I could explain to you guys that easily. It's just a lot of work. Not a lot of work, but it's a long video to do, to go step by step, just to show you how to make one of these. But I did make my own for the 40K and then for the radiator, as you guys see right here. These are fuses, so you always need a fuse on your power. So it doesn't, when it shortens out, this pops instead of catching on fire. This will pop right here. And we have one right here as well for the 40K transmission cooler. Like I said, we still got to connect these to the actual battery. I just put these temporarily with the Milwaukee battery so you guys can see that it turns on and runs. But I still got connected to the actual battery itself. We are going to be pulling this motor out and the transmission going to complete build. This is a 5.3 cam, but we're going to go with something bigger. It sounds nice, everything, it is tuned. We installed these brand new Speed Engineering set 1 7/8 long tube headers. We got the MSD spark plug wires, and we got a cold air intake. We still got to put the box on, but this is how the truck. We're gonna slap all LTZs on them, and then comment down below what color should we do this truck. It is our burnout truck for the painters. What do you think, Chulo?
Quedó chingona. I'm ready to burn out in the pit.
All right.
To practice a little more so I don't kill myself.
Close the hood. There you go. Quick little walk around on the burnout truck. Can't wait. We're gonna do a crazy color on this. We don't know exactly what color yet, but here she is. Stored here at one of my houses. Look at this big ass dent. Anyways, you guys, we're gonna wrap up this video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you have any questions regarding how to install the 40K transmission cooler or the slim fans, make sure to comment down below or shoot me a DM at my Instagram. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.